So first we're gonna have a rectangular field right here, and we have to have a diagonal because she's walking diagonally across like so. Then this field is measured by 58 meters and 74 meters. And we have to find what angle, like right here, we have to find what angle with respect to the shorter side did she walk. So this is going to be the shorter side, so we have to put it in terms of this. So tan theta will be equal to 74 divided by 58. So if I take the inverse tan of both sides, I'll get theta to be equal to the inverse tan of 74 divided by 58. And that's going to be equal to approximately 51. So it's to the nearest degree, so it's 52 degrees actually.